There's enough 97-year-old couple.
Copy. Sufficient code for additional clear. Resume on the air.
Yeah, for sure.
Copy. Resume on the traffic 1250 hours.
What's your name, man?
Get him away from me first.
What's your name?
Get him away from me
We're gonna
first.
find out what your name is anyway.
Please. My name is Elijah Tufano.
Elijah Stefano?
Tufano.
Tufano.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Have you been arrested before?
Nah.
Huh? You got an ID on him or anything? No. Alright. Elijah, let's see if we can find you in our system here.
I don't have no record or nothing. I'm a good kid.
Everybody said you was a bad kid. Spell your last name.
Tufono. My mom's record might pop up.
And Elijah, E-L-I-J-A-H?
Yeah.
What's your mom's name?
Yeah. I don't know if it'll pop up like that. I really don't know how to spell her first name.
Is this your mama?
Yeah. Why he do me like that though?
I wasn't here, man. I don't know what happened.
He slammed me to the ground and started punching on me, talking about I'm gonna fucking beat your ass. Like, no, that's not cool.
You try to run?
Yeah, he was trying to put me in handcuffs. I'm not. No.
What's your date of birth, Elijah? Alright. You live with your mom?
No, I live with my grandparents.
You live with your grandparents? What's your address, man?
You finna drop me off over there?
If it turns out that way, I gotta have a place to drop you off, yeah. This address right here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. That's where your grandparents live?
Yeah.
Do your grandparents have guardianship over you, or does your mom?
My mom, no, not my mom, my grandparents.